Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first day on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we are going to be doing another tutorial. As you can see guys, I'm just going to start by lining the down part of my brows, and now I'm moving to the top part of my brows. As you can see guys, next I'm just going to be filling in the middle of the brows. So next I'm just going to be brushing my brows to make it look neat before actually using my concealer. So next I'm going to be using my concealer from Eyebrow concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Guys, today actually I'm going to be using Eyebrow concealer in the shade Cool Tan on the down part of my brows. Then I'm going to be using a darker shade of Eyebrow concealer in the shade Fawn in the upper part of my brows. Some people actually use their foundation. If you think you don't have the darker shade of the concealer you are using, you can actually use your foundation so that it will be very easy for you to blend. So next I'm just going to move over to the top part of my brows. As you can see guys, I'm just lining now. I'm cleaning out the excess. Now I'm just going to be cleaning out that excess concealer from my eyelid. As you can see guys. Now I'm going to be using this light brown from this palette. Actually guys, I've forgotten the name because the shadow palette is kind of old and the name is out of the palette. I can't see it, but the palette is nice actually. So I'm just using the light brown as my transition color. I'm just going to be using it on my outer corner. Now I'm just going to take the darker shade and apply it on my outer corner. So next guys, I'm just going to be taking this yellow shadow from Huda Beauty palette to clean out any excess from my eye. I'm just trying to clean out any excess shadow from my eye to make it look neat. So now guys, I'm just going to be cutting my crease. As you can see, I'm using the same concealer I used on my brows before. So now I'm just going to look up. You know why guys? Because most of the times if you don't actually look up when cutting your crease, you find out that after your shadow, when you're done with your shadow actually, you find out that when you close your eyes and then you open it, you find out that you have some stains, like your shadow is kind of rough. So most times I always prefer, I open my eyes to check actually where I have my crease. So next guys, I'm just going to be using this pink eyeshadow. So guys, now I'm just going to be applying this yellow color shadow on my inner corner just to make it look poppy, as you can see. So now I'm just going to blend my outer corner. Next I'm going to be using my liner. As you can see, I'm done, and now I'm going to apply my false lashes. So next I'm going to apply my primer. Guys, I usually use my hand to apply my primer. I don't know about you. Some people use their brush, but I think it's always better when you use your hand to apply your primer. But for me, it works, and I'll be using my hand. So next, I'm just going to use my corrector from Eyebrow Concealer to conceal any spot I have on my face. So now I'm just going to apply my shadow from Classic HD foundation. This foundation is everything. You guys know I love Classic so much. So it's a foundation I'll be using for a while now, and I love it. Next, I'm just going to apply my highlighter, Eyebrow Concealer in the shade Cotton. So now I'm just going to blend in my highlighter. As you can see, tap, 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 tap. Now I'm just going to use my liquid contour from Eyebrow. So next I'm just going to apply my dry contour on my nose to make it a bit slimmer. Next I'm just going to apply my dry contour all over the area I contoured before, as you can see. So next guys, as you all know, I'm going to be applying my mascara gel on my brows. You guys know I love this mascara, this eyebrow mascara gel so much. So next guys, I'm going to be using these two lipsticks on my lip from Magic Cosmetics. So next I'm just going to be brushing out the powder from my face, the Sasha Butter powder from my face. And I'm just going to blend in everything and make it smooth. So next guys, I'm just going to be applying my blush. So next, guys, I'm gonna be applying my highlighter from Zara Cosmetics. Just gonna be applying the highlighter on my nose as well, as you can see, guys. This look is actually simple and classy. You can actually wear this look to a party, to any event you actually want to go to. This look is just simple and you can actually wear it anywhere. So you guys should let me know what you think about this look. If you love it, if it's okay, if I should do more of things like this, just let me know in the comment section below, guys. And most of all, guys, don't forget to subscribe. So now, guys, I'm just gonna be applying my finish spray. As you can see, guys, here is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this makeup tutorial, guys. If it was helpful, what you love about the makeup, if you love my hair, just let me know in the comment section below. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.